July 1st here, 2024. Under the Wing 79, Beauty and the Beasts, homage to slain Jewish anti-fascist partisan Hannah Senesh. And we have a holy chicken at the lower left and my late budgie parakeet Blanche de Boyd at upper right. And the beasts are a bunch of allegorical sea monsters. On the left, a portion of the Ten Commandments on the lower right here, different writing in Judeo-Arabic, Hebrew, English letters, like the transliteration from Yiddish. And on the right, more of the same, Partisan Iliad is the partisan song, which was by Hirsch Glick during the Holocaust. All right, there you have it. Under the Wings 79.